Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you how to apply for Turkey visa online. So this is the website. If you want to apply Turkey, go to this website, write this keyword, apply Turkey visa online, click this website. From this section, click apply now. You will be redirected to this apply page. In this case, choose this one, all details. You choose your passport from countries, for example, this one, and then just scroll down, write your dates, arrival dates, personal details, write your first name, last name, place of the birthday, and then write your date of birthday, the month, year, and write your passport number, your all details here. From this contact details, fill all the information such email and confirm your email, choose your mobile number, other application example, you can add more application, click I have this one, I agree, and I write your application ID, your email on this section. From the delivery processing, choose standard or express, and this is express faster, more than faster, and this is popular, and then click proceed to pay. Basically, this is how you can do, friends, to apply this visa online. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video, and then you can track your visa from this top right corner. Write your application reference and then click search. Thanks for watching this guide.